Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram not uploading story problem, alright? So let's say you're trying to upload a story on your Instagram and it's just not being uploaded. The first reason could be your internet connection is slow. So make sure to check your internet connection, because if it is slow, then of course your story won't be uploaded. So make sure to check if your internet is fast enough to upload a story. You can just go to any website. So let's say I go to my website over here. So I go to my website. If your website loads up simply easily like this, so my website is being loaded over here easily. But if it takes you 3 or 5 minutes just to load a simple website, then the internet is slow. In that case, you need to change into another internet or use data connection. All right, so make sure to check that. And even if you have a fast internet and you're still facing the problem, then you need to check if your Instagram is up to date. Sometimes due to Instagram not being up to date, it's going to cause this problem. So what you want to do is go on Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram over here. If it says open, it means your Instagram is up to date. You don't have to worry about anything. But if it says update instead of open over here, you want to click on update to update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, your story should be uploaded. But if it's still not uploading, what you can do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset everything on your Instagram and it's going to be brand new. So if you try to upload story, it should work. And the other thing could be sometimes Instagram server goes offline, which means they take a maintenance break. And in that time, if you try to upload something, then it's not going to work. All right. So if that's the time, then the only thing you can do is wait. And to check if Instagram is under maintenance or not, you can ask like 1 or 2 of your friends to check if their Instagram is working properly. If their Instagram is working properly and yours not working, then it's a problem you have. But if their Instagram is also not working properly, then it's basically their servers are down. All right. So that's how we guys can fix your Instagram not uploading story problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.